Embarking on a healthy lifestyle journey begins with understanding the power of nutrition. Nourishing your body with wholesome food sets the foundation for vibrant health. Picture a colorful plate bursting with a variety of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Eating well means fueling your body with the right nutrients to improve energy levels, enhance mental clarity, and support a strong immune system. Begin by incorporating seasonal produce and choosing minimally processed foods that are as close to their natural state as possible, allowing your body to thrive. Movement plays a key role in any healthy lifestyle, bringing dynamism and vitality to your daily routine. Imagine starting your day with the crisp morning air as you engage in a brisk walk or embracing the rhythm of a lively dance class. Movement doesn't have to be a chore, it can be a joyful expression. Find activities you love and make them a regular part of your everyday life. Whether it's yoga, cycling, or hiking, the goal is to keep your body active and your heart pumping. Each movement, each step is a celebration of life and strength. Embracing happiness is an essential component of a holistic approach to health. Picture a serene setting where tranquility washes over you as you take a moment to breathe and reflect. Cultivating mindfulness allows you to appreciate the little moments of joy in your day, the laughter of loved ones, or the beauty of nature surrounding you. Surround yourself with positivity and engage in activities that light up your spirit, like creative pursuits or connecting with friends. Remember, mental and emotional well-being is just as important as physical health, and nurturing happiness contributes significantly to a fulfilling life. The journey to a healthy lifestyle is not just about eating right and exercising. It's about creating a balanced life filled with joy and satisfaction. As you navigate this path, reflect on your habits and make gradual changes that resonate with you. Celebrate your progress no matter how small, and allow yourself grace on days that don't go as planned. Over time, these incremental adjustments accumulate, transforming your lifestyle into one that embraces health, happiness, and wholeness. Let this be your ultimate guide to a healthy life, where every day is a new opportunity to nourish your body and soul.